How to close an iron condor on TastyTrade. Follow these steps. Log into your TastyTrade account. Go to the Positions tab and locate your iron condor. Click on the position to expand and view all 4 option legs. Select all 4 legs: short call, long call, short put, long put. Click Close Position or Flatten to create a closing order. Choose a limit price. Using the mid price is recommended. Review the order details to ensure accuracy. Click Send Order to submit the trade. Wait for execution. If it doesn't fill, adjust the price slightly. Check the Activity tab to confirm the trade was completed. Verify the position is closed in the Positions tab. Thanks for watching.